Hey everybody, happy Wednesday. Sean from High Level coming at you. So first up, let's talk, this is gonna be a big one. This is the ability to do theme customization all the way down to the lesson level in membership. So this is a big membership update. So first though, let's make sure you got this ready to go. So go over to settings here on the left-hand side, let's find labs and just scroll down and make sure under membership product themes, this little switch is live. If that's not on, you're not gonna see this. You're gonna be like, what the heck are you showing me, Sean? I don't have this in my account. So now that I did that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over here, go to sites, go to memberships, let's go into my products, and I just created a random brand new product here. But if I go ahead and click into this, under the customize link, now you should see this. See where it says theme customization? Now real quick, today, what's live is the ability to actually customize the classic theme, but the New York theme will have this ability here shortly. So let's dive in here. So make sure you're on the classic theme, go to customize here and check out what you're gonna see. This is amazing. So if you come in, you'll see obviously there are theme settings, and notice up here, I'm on the product side. So there's all this customization that you can do as far as fonts and those sorts of things, and the sections on the product side, all of that is there, instructor, course body, all of that. And then now you can actually jump in at the lesson level and actually do lesson customization. So this is really cool. And you can also do it by section. And so what I was gonna, there's a lot in this. So just so you're aware, there's an awesome help article that was put together by the team right here. It's under how to use membership themes. Let me move my face out of the way. And so I'll link this in the doc, but it really goes through all of the different options that you have as far as header and hero and navigation and colors and fonts and all of this stuff. This is really super phenomenal. So the team is going to continue to run down a ton of customizations for themes and also help build out a lot of the sort of stock themes everybody knows and loves from various different membership builders out there. So all of this is now live though, as far as this customization. So you can come in, you can do this right now, and then you can apply the theme, and now you've got your own custom theme all the way across, gives you a much bigger, deeper level of customization. So huge props to the team for getting that out. And then just a quick heads up on the membership side, the very next thing will be lesson not completed trigger. And so this is probably gonna come out in the next couple of weeks. But basically imagine that you put me into your course and I'm in, you want me to go through the lessons at a certain tempo and I get stuck, I abandon, I'm not getting through it. We want to trigger off of that. That is coming up soon. So anyways, lesson customization, theme customization, enhancements, super amazing. Awesome job of the team. Hope all of you are having a great Wednesday. And as always, we'll talk soon. Thanks.